how to see and find your blocked addresses on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and see your blocked addresses easy and fast. First thing, go to Gmail. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go to the top and click on settings. Click on see all settings option. Now go to filters and blocked addresses option here, and here you go. Now from here you will find your blocked addresses, and I currently have no blocked addresses. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.